Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, convertible hardtop, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, targa roof, tires, front, on-off-road, tires, rear, on-off-road. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.